Hi everyone, my name is Tony Wu-Fei, and today I'm going to present you my topic, how does phosphate keep lead out of tap water? First, I want to introduce some background information about the importance of water. More than 70% of Earth is covered with water. This simple liquid has existed on Earth for more than 4 billion years, and its unique chemical properties have nourished the most spectacular landscapes on Earth. Places such as the Amazon forest in Brazil, the coral reef in Australia, beautiful creatures such as tigers and elephants. I also want to talk about the benefits of drinking water. Every organism on Earth relies on water to survive, and it plays a vital role in our everyday life. Numerous benefits make water an important source to our survival, and these benefits include the balance of homeostasis, um, transporting nutrients to our organs, cleaning waste inside our bodies, regulating body temperature, etc. Without water, life as we know it would not exist. That being said, it is imperative to not let our water source be contaminated by pollutants such as arsenic, lead, mercury, etc. These metals are called heavy metals. Heavy metals have a relatively high density compared to water, and therefore they can be toxic or even fatal when a high concentration of it is inside the human body. Take lead, for example. A high concentration of lead inside a human body can make he or she experience headache, fatigue, abdominal pain, and insomnia. Before I can talk about how phosphate can reduce the risk of lead toxicity, I also want to talk about how lead can poison our bodies. So we have to look at some chemicals that named reactive oxygen species, or ROS in short. Reactive oxygen species are chemicals that contain oxygen and have an uneven number of electrons. In other words, they are free radicals. Free radicals are very reactive due to the fact that they have an odd number of electrons and they want to satisfy the octet rule by gaining one more electron. Example of free radicals include superoxide, hydroxide, peroxide, etc. And they are usually produced in the mitochondria of the cell. Our mitochondria produce free radicals. But the amount of free radicals produced in the mitochondria is usually balanced out by the amount of antioxidants, chemicals that can minimize the detrimental effect caused by free radicals. However, when heavy metals such as lead becomes excessive in your body, the cell will produce more free radicals than it usually would. Eventually, the amount of free radicals in the cell is more than the antioxidants, causing a phenomenon called the oxidative stress. These excessive amount of free radicals can be dangerous to the cell. It can damage the cell membranes, alter the protein structures, and even destroy DNA formation. So what is phosphate or orthophosphate? So phosphate, or commonly referred to as orthophosphate, is an anion obtained by removing the 3 hydrogen protons from phosphoric acid. Because phosphate is an anion, which means it's negatively charged, it can attract metals such as lead. How can phosphate help? Well, according to the solubility rule for phosphate, any chemicals that mix with phosphate will precipitate except for alkali metals and ammonium. That means that lead will precipitate when it mixed with phosphate. When phosphate is added to the interior surface of the lead pipe, it will form a wide protective barrier that can prevent the lead from interacting with water. By doing so, we can effectively eliminate lead corrosion in the pipe and ensure the safety of drinking water. That's it for my presentation. Thank you, everyone.